This is a lovely antique pine wardrobe. It's French and it dates from around about 1890. Nice big panelled doors, as you can see. This does totally dismantle for delivery, so no problems getting up stairwells and what have you. Nice shaped top, sort of rounded corners there. You've got large bun feet at the front and there's block feet to the rear. Now the doors have a fully working lock with a key. You've got these nice long old key plates on here. Nice big key, fully working. And the doors have the French style hinges, obviously, so the doors do open fully wide. Now we'll fit a brand new brass hanging rail inside here. Now this is quite a tall wardrobe, so we could put a shelf at the top if you wanted us to, just above the hanging rail. And again, being tall, you've got plenty of room down the bottom there to put your shoes and bits and pieces. The code for this one is N1505F. The price on the bare wood is £1,100, and if you'd like it wax polished, it's £1,225. 80 inches high, it's 66 inches wide, it's 21 inches deep, 21 inches deep, and the internal depth is 17.5 inches, which is a little shallow, so we could also put shelves in, and you could use that as a large cupboard if you wanted us to.